My daddy likes plants. Likes things from nature.
You're from nature. I like you.
Yeah. And you're from nature, Daddy.
That's right. What are we looking for?
Mushrooms.
How are we going to see them?
On dead wood.
What color might they be?
Bright orange.
All right. Because we're going to try to find chicken of the woods.
Remy and Daddy's nature walk.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
You want to make a special video that says Remy and Daddy's nature walk? Right.
Yeah. Movies are supposed to be very long. So you see we're going down. Well, there's a lot of nice stuff here.
Remy, do you know what these trees are?
What?
What's this shape? What kind of tree is that?
Tulip poplar.
That's right, because it looks like a tulip kind of, huh?
Yeah.
Well, let's walk around them and maybe some of them will grow up. What's this plant?
Tulip poplar.
Good. Do you know what this one is?
I don't know.
It's a locust.
Locust.
Yeah. And then, do you remember what this is? The purplish that we just found out what it was?
Dead nettle.
Right! Dead nettle. Remy, this plant smells kind of spicy. What is it?
I don't know.
Kind of spicy, like a spice bush.
Yeah, spice bush.
Mushrooms, they like it to be dark and cool. They like to grow on dead wood. Now look, you see that log over there?
Yeah.
You know, there are some little shelf mushrooms over here. You can see here where I put a few spawn plugs in, but I didn't seal them. How's it going?
Good.
Did we find any mushrooms yet?
I don't know.
Here's some.
Wow. So are they chickens of the woods?
No, they're not chicken of the woods.
But we're trying to find chickens of the woods.
Ooh, look at that little tree. That's pretty.
Yeah. Why do mushrooms like it dark and cold?
I don't know. I don't know why they like it that way.
Why didn't your farm school teach you that?
Maybe, maybe my farm school will teach me that at another time. Now, do you see where the grass is parted up here, buddy? It means an animal went up through there. What kind of animal do you think might have gone up through there?
A deer.
Yeah. Or who? Or what else? Is there an animal that lives here?
Dog.
Yeah, Gracie. So we're following the deer path, right? It's important that we remember that we're all part of the same planet and we all have different functions. And it's important that we're kind to animals, isn't it?
Then I just found a giant tree that fell down.
Look, do you know what this tree is?
What?
Look, it has these leaves that are kind of like mittens. Some have two. Look, here's one that looks like a mitten. Sassafras.
Oh, it's sassafras.
Yep. So sometimes it has three,
I know that
sometimes it has
Gracie
two,
said
and
that.
sometimes it has one. Do you like the name Sassafras?
Yep. Ow.
Oops. All right, careful. There's like some stickies there.
Ah!
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Ah!
Hold on. I got you. I'm gonna grab it. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna step this one down for you. Okay. Pass one through. Good job. Good job. Let's see if we can get through, huh? So we have a lot of spiny things. Some of them are locusts. Locusts have big spines on them. The locust tree. Some are called multiflora rose. Okay, do like that. Make big steps on top of them, okay? And then make a path. All right, here's some more purplish with the flower stalks. What's that?
Dead nettle.
Yes! Good job, buddy.
I knew it started with a dead.
I knew it started with a dead.
But I forgot the last one.
So,
Look at the sky.
God, I can't wait to see how that comes out. And we've been loud enough, we probably are scaring away any turkeys that are up here, huh?
Why?
They don't like to hang out with people. This was one of the chestnuts, but I neglected its location and it got overgrown, but it doesn't actually look dead. I mean, it doesn't have any leaves on it, but the bark has some sort of vitality to it. But it's really in a shady area of the forest, so.
I just found some mushrooms.
You did?
They look kind of like that.
Whoa, look at these mushrooms. Daddy's gonna investigate, okay? Let's see. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a cool mushroom.
Is that chicken of the woods?
It's not chicken of the woods. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some pictures.
So you see, we're going down. There's a lot of nice stuff here. Well, we're done with the movie thing now. Get back to our nature walk, okay?